Once you have been created a data relationship, now we are going to learn about how to create a report by using that relationship. We'll go to create option here, create option, select blank report, select blank report because you like to customize yourself, blank report. Once you have been selected, I would like to add a report. What are the things I would like to add? I would like to add a customer name, okay, name of the customer, location, select location from here, field list, and drop it here after customer name. I need a product which they have been purchased, product, drop it here, amount how much they have been spent, drop it here. Similarly, from product table, I would like to get to know about the cost of the product. Cost of the product. Like this, we have been added. Okay, this is a customized report I wanted. So we have been created a report. Then we can say here, save. It will ask to give a name. We can give the, like this, we can give the name. Okay, now it has been created a report. If you like to get to know about a report view, here in view option, select a report view. Okay, like this we can select a report view. If you like to get to know about how it will look in a print preview, go to print preview. It will show that how your report will look like. Your report will look like. Okay, directly by selecting here print, you can take a print of the this particular report. Okay, like this we can create a different reports. Okay, we can create a different reports, close the print preview to come out from that. Okay, like this we can create a different reports we can create, okay, for your database, and you can take a print of that particular report also. Okay, so far we have been learned about how to create a data by using a table, creating a new tables, forms creation, like this forms. Okay, here you can see in navigation it will give you what are the things you created so far. Form creation, then relationship creation, as well as we have been learned about creating a report, creating a report. The one more thing, we can connect any external data also. If you have any external data, you can also connect them to your data. Okay, but we are learning here to create a data, not to connect external any external data. Okay, we are creating a data, managing them, and we'll save the data by using a save button here, or we can use a control S to save the report or whatever you have been generated so far in this particular file. Okay, we will attach this file also for your reference, and make sure that all of you are creating a one particular data and creating a relationship between them, generating a report as well as a forms, creating a form to particular table. Okay, this will help you to manage your database. Okay, and you can connect this database to any of the other platform, analysis platform like Power BI or Tableau to make a further analysis.